Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix a broken mailbox. So you can see this one is correct on this side. Like, this is the screw that's supposed to be there, and there's a little nut on the inside. On the other side, which I'll show you in a second, it fell off and I couldn't find it. So rather than go to the store and try to find this exact size and the exact size nut, what I did instead is use wire. So you can see that wire there. And I'm going to try to get every angle I can here so you can see exactly how I did it in case you want to replicate this. But if you just take some pliers and twist that around, it should work about as good as mine works. It'll last maybe 30 days, 30 to 60 days. But you can see, like, it won't open all the way, which is fine. They can still get the mail in there. And it closes just fine too. So let me know if you have any questions. Guys, do me a favor. As of this video, I am at 8 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 10 subscribers by July 1st. So I have about 7 days to get there. So if I could get 2 subscribers in the next 7 days, that would be great. Thank you so much.